I'm doing the back brakes on my Trailblazer, 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. I've loosened up the reservoir for the brake fluid, just to let it, you know, when I back up the pistons, I want it to be able to, the level to be able to come up, not be sealed out. Hopefully I get the angle right on this video. I've already taken the tire off. And I've got a cement block underneath. There's the hub, cement block, there's the jack. Hopefully this one comes out. I did the other side already. Video did not come out. I was getting the side of the car. Here are the pads. I'll set those right there. Takes a let's see, 14mm socket on these, and the other side came off like relatively easy. Yep, this side's doing it too. Oh no, that isn't supposed to do that. There we go. Just need something to hold that nut there. They don't need to be in real tight. I'll see if it'll just come out. Can you see that? I hope so. There's a nut in there. Just kind of have to, you don't have to grip it tight, you just need to hold it. You turn in the bolt. There we go. Just needs a little help. To do this, it's just two bolts. There we go. It's loosening now. Two little bolts, actually. They're pretty small. But I do like the design of this caliper. You just pull the top part off the piston and just kind of set it up out of the way. Make sure it doesn't fall. You can see the pads right there. They just slide out. There's that one. See if they match them up. They're both the same. Then you pull the one off the back. There's that one. And these little clips, I've got a couple in here. See those clips? These are from ECCPP brake pads off of eBay. I got the front and back with all the hardware and the grease for $50. It was like a great deal. You just put these new ones on. Don't drop them. They just kind of snap in. There's that one. I hope this is coming out. And all they do is slide in onto the caliper. There's that one. I can't see what I'm doing in this one. You probably can't see what I'm doing either. I'm going at it blindly. Just get it in like that. It's new camera day. But I figured I'd see if it works. I got it on my head. I need it hands-free because I'm doing this stuff alone all the time. And you just need a little bit of grease on that side. A little bit. Yeah, I got it on that side. You got instructions with this too, which is pretty cool with these pads. I really like them. They're well made. They're made in China, but they made them good. But now you just get it back, the piston up. That's what I have this for. You don't want to. There's a bolt holding the line on. You don't want to hit that. You don't want to even come near that. And it shouldn't push in really. It shouldn't be too difficult to push it in. You don't want to hit the rubber part. Just back it up, nice and easy. That should be enough. Some of the dirt off. You might want to check the rubber part there. You'd have fluid leaking out if there was a problem with it. And you just want to get some of that grease out. Put it on there. On that. Like that. I'm just trying to keep my fingers kind of clean. And don't twist the brake line. You want it to go back the way it was. There we go. Ooh, perfect. Push those little nuts in. These nuts right here, you want to push those in. Line it up for the bolts. And I'm just kind of holding that nut and turning the bolt to get it down in there. I might have to use the pliers, but I'm not like putting a lot of pressure on that. I'm just enough to hold it. So I didn't feel like going to find a wrench. Got the new clips in, brake pads, pistons back on, and that one. Just snugging this up. That one's nice and tight. Snug the top one again. Oh, that's good. And that's it. I put brake pads on a Chevy Trailblazer. It's pretty much the same on all vehicles, pretty close. The calipers can be different, and brake pads can be different, but it's all the same idea. Most brake pads, when you get them, you get no hardware and you get no grease, and sometimes you don't get instructions, you just get the pads. You pay premium price for them, which I don't like. Now all I have to do is put the tire back on and I'm good to go.